Men, wamama fungeni masikio. Wanaume, don't trust women. Don't trust women. You are a mother. I didn't speak about mothers. You know what I'm saying. I say don't trust women. Mimi sijaongelesha wa mama, nyinyi tafuteni mtu ataongelesha. Tafuteni women conference. Don't trust women. Don't. Usijichoche ati wanakuja na kuambia ati babe ni wewe tu. Okay. Okay. Kuna don't trust women. Don't. And I'm saying it openly. Don't trust women. Don't trust women. Every man that was great, or almost all men that are great, fall because of women. Don't trust women. When it comes to your destiny, be selfish enough to push through and ignore every other thing. Don't trust women. Atuko na madem 10. Let me tell you, mmoja atakata nywele. Don't trust women. I didn't say don't trust your wife. I didn't say don't trust your mother. I said women. Acha niseme na capital juu mama ni kama mnasumbuli wangu nikiongea. Acha nirudie na capital letters. Wanaume, your biggest problem is a woman. If you can overcome that first problem, huyo kwanza. Hizi zingine sasa inakuwa gabiti hizi. Utakuja hapo utengeneze, twende. Utengeneze. Huyo ndio mwanaume. Utengeneze utengeneze nini, utengeneze. Sasa ile umepata kila kitu, ndio hawa sasa. Huyo